Today I'm challenging myself to replace the brake light on my Hyundai Santa Fe. In just 5 minutes, can I pull it off? Did you know that a burnt out brake light can lead to a ticket or worse, an accident? Let's fix it. In this video, you will learn how to quickly and easily replace the brake light on a Hyundai Santa Fe, ensuring your vehicle is safe and compliant. Many drivers overlook their brake lights until it's too late, leading to potential safety hazards and legal issues. We will address how to identify a burnout brake light and the importance of replacing it promptly. I will walk you through the step-by-step process of accessing the brake light assembly, removing the old bulb and installing the new one. You will see the tools needed and tips for a smooth replacement. Hey, watch as I successfully replace the brake light. This is the moment where everything comes together, showcasing how quick and easy the process can be. Gently pull the assembly away from the vehicle to expose the bulb holder. Remove any clips or nuts holding the bulb in place. Then pull the bulb out. Take note of the bulb's orientation and any electrical connectors that need to be detached. Discard the old bulb and prepare the new one for installation. Insert the new bulb into the holder, ensuring it's properly seated and oriented correctly. Reattach any clips or nuts to secure the bulb in place.
The number of these light bulbs are 1157. Okay, this is different though. These pins, some others are like even, but this one is a little bit off here. It's a little bit higher. You see it? That's the difference. And now we just put it back like that. Let's test it.
To wrap up, I have demonstrated how simple it is to replace the brake light on your Hyundai Santa Fe, ensuring your vehicle remains safe on the road. If you found this video helpful, check out other maintenance tips and tricks, and don't forget to leave a comment with your questions and experiences. Thank you for watching.